Students, we will today discuss algebraic identities. Identity is not a new thing for you. In your junior classes also, you have learned some identities. Just I want to refresh your memory. You have learned a plus b whole square. The formula says a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here I have written x plus y whole square. That will be similarly x square plus y square plus 2xy. Now what it means? It means that x plus y is, if x plus y is multiplied with x plus y, we will get this very expression of x square plus y square plus 2xy. Similarly, x minus y whole square means x minus y into x minus y. If you do the multiplication process, you will get x square plus y square minus 2xy. X square minus y square, very commonly used formula, students. You have done it in your earlier class. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Think from this side. If x plus y into x minus y, if these two factors are multiplied, we will get x square minus y square. Again, x plus a into x minus a, that is the fourth identity I have written. X plus a into x minus a. That will give us x square plus, within bracket, a plus b into x plus a into b. X plus y plus z square. Square of a trinomial it is known as. Square of a trinomial. It is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. Cube of a binomial. X plus y whole cube, cube of a binomial x plus y. Its formula is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. What it means? If x plus y into x plus y into x plus y, if we do, we will get this very expression. Similarly, with x minus y whole cube, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. And finally, the longest identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz will be equals to x plus y plus z within bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. So with the help of these identity, we will try to do the exercise, learn the exercise of 2.5. But before going into details, we will discuss what is the meaning of identities. Equality that holds good for each and every value of the variable. Equality of two algebraic expression. Equality of two algebraic expression that holds good for each and every value of the variable. Let me explain this very concept by taking the first identity. Let our x is equal to 3 and y equals to 2. See, our x plus y whole square will be simply 3 plus 2's whole square, and that is 5 square. That will give us 25. On the other hand, if you do x square plus y square plus z square, it will be 3 square plus 2 square plus 2xy plus 2 into 3 into 2. You will get 9 plus 4 plus 12, and that will give us 25. So what we are finding, whatever may be the value of x and y, x plus y whole square will always be equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So equality of two algebraic expression that holds good for each and every value of the variable is called an identity. And we are learning here the algebraic identities, and there are 8 algebraic identities. I have written on the board. You will find it in your book. Just you have to cram all these formula of the identities. Now students, let us start with 2.5, exercise 2.5, which deals with the identities, these identities. Two question of question number 1 I will solve for you. The question number 2, it goes as x plus 8 into x minus 10. The question says, use suitable identities to find the following products. Now see how we will proceed. We will simply write x square plus 8 minus 10 into x plus 8 into minus 10. That will give us x square minus 2x minus 80. Which identity we have used? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. See, here your a is 8, your b is minus 10. So x square minus a plus b, that is 8 plus minus 10 into x plus a into b, 8 into minus 10, and ultimately x square minus 2x minus 80. This is your question number 2 of first question. One more question, that is question number 5 from question number 1 I will discuss, that is 3 minus 2x and 3 plus 2x. If you see carefully, the given question reminds you of a minus b into a plus b. That means it is a square plus b squares, a square minus b squares formula. So what you will write, suppose this is a and this one is b. So a minus b into a plus b. That will give us a square minus b square. And simply 9 minus 4x square. Formula used, a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. We have taken the help of this very identity. In this way, the question number 1, other questions of question number 1 you can solve. Now come to question number 2. In question number 2 says, evaluate the following products using without multiplying directly. We have to find out the value of the product, but we are not supposed to multiply them directly. The first question I will do for you, that is 103 into 107. See students, in this question we can write it as, directly we are not supposed to do the multiplication. So some indirect process will do 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. Again, x plus a into x plus b. So what it will be? 100 squared plus 3 plus 7 into 100 plus 3 into 7. See, x squared plus a plus b into x, 3 plus 7 into 100 plus a into b, 3 into 7. It will be 1 followed by 40, 1000, because it is 10 into 100 plus 21. Students, you just added 10,000, 1000, 21, 1, 2, 0, 1, 1. So your final answer is 1, 1, 0, 2, 1. That is your final answer. This is one of question number 2. One more question I will make for you, that is 3. 104 into 96. We are not supposed to do the direct multiplication. We have to take help of the identity. We will take 100 plus 4 and we will make it 100 minus 4. Again you see, this reminds you of the formula a plus b into a minus b. So it will be simply a square minus b square. 1 followed by 40 minus 16. Now 1 followed by 40 minus 16. And that answer is 9984. 9984 is your answer. This one is your answer. This was your question number 2, students. Now let us come to question number 3. In question number 3, we will find two questions. Question number 2, I am taking 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Factorize of the following using appropriate identities. We are required to factorize it by using the proper identity. Look very carefully. This 2y square can be written as 2y's whole square. 4y square can be written as 2y's whole square. And minus 2 into 2y into 1 plus 1 square. 1 square will be 1. Minus 2 into 2y will give us minus 4y. 2y's whole square will give us 4y square. But it comes a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. That is a minus b's whole square. That is a minus b's whole square. Since you have to factorize, you can write it 2y minus 1 into 2y plus 1. So this is the factorization of question number 2 of question number 3. Question number 2 of question number 3. Now 3 of question number 3. That 2 I will explain. X square minus y square by 100. You have to factorize it. It reminds us a square minus b square. You will simply write x square minus y by 10 whole square. Now a plus b into a minus b. X plus y by 10 is one factor. The second one is x minus y by 10. And that's all, students. That is the final answer of question number 3 of question number 3. X square minus y square. We have written x whole square, y by 10 whole square. This is a, this is b. Then a plus b into a minus b will be the required answer. After that, come to question number 4. Each and every type of question I am discussing, students. Third of question number 4. Minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. The question is, expand each of the following using suitable identity. Equals to, this is your A, this one is B, and this one is C. So a square minus 2x whole square plus b square 3y whole square plus c square 2z whole square plus 2ab 2 into minus 2x into 3y plus 2bc 2 into 3y into 2z plus 2ac minus 2x into 2z. I have used here the formula, students. A plus b is whole square. We have supposed minus 2x is equal to a, 3y is equal to b, and 2z equals to c. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And just you open the bracket, 4x square plus 9y squared plus 4z squared. Now this is minus 12xy plus 12yz minus 8 xz. So this is the way how you will tackle the square of the trinomial. One more question from question number 4. Question number 1, let me explain. It is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Now this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. No question of minus sign. So simply you write a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 4z plus 2 into x into 4z. Now it will be x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8xz. So this is your students, this is the square of the trinomial, and on the basis of that question number 4 is based on the square of the trinomial. Now come to question number 5. Two questions are there. I will explain one for you. That will be question number 2. 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. This is the very question I have written on the board, and what you have to do? You have to factorize. You have to factorize this. Now this formula a square, b square, c square minus ab plus bc minus ac. Now one thing students, before going into details, see these are the pure products. 2x square, y square, 8z square are the pure product. Pure products are always positive. Now these are known as the cross product. xy, yz, xz. Now see, the cross product are negative in case of xy and in case of xz. It means x is negative. If cross product is negative for x into y and x into z, it means x is negative. So what we can write? We can write minus root 2 x square, that is a square, plus y square plus 2 root 2 z square. 2 root 2 z square will give us x. Minus, it will be plus 2 minus root 2x into y plus 2y into 2 root 2z, that will give us 4 root 2 yz, and the last one is plus 2 minus root 2x into 2 root 2z. Now see, minus root 2x square will give us 2x square, y square, it will be 8z square, minus plus minus 2 root 2xy, this will be plus 2 2s are 4 root x, 4 root x, yz, this is minus plus minus 2 into 2, 4 into 2, z, 8, it will be xz. So this will be the formula of minus a plus b plus 2 root 2 z's whole square minus root x plus y plus 2 root 2z. You can write it twice. Minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z into minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. 2 times I have written because it is a square given. This was your question number 5. One of the 2 questions I have discussed, students. The remaining one you will do. Question number 6. Come to question number 6. This is the cube of a binomial. Question number 3 I will explain. 2 questions I will explain. Question number 3. 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. We have learned the formula a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b. 27 by a x cube plus 1 plus 9x by 2 3 by 2x plus 1. You can open this by doing the multiplication. 27 by 8x cube plus 1 plus 27x square by 4 27x square by 4 plus 9x by 2. So this way you can do question number 3 of question number 6. One more question I can explain in order to make you understand. I hope you have understood the things. X minus 2 by 3y whole cube. A minus b's whole cube. And its formula is simply a cube minus 2 by 3y's whole cube minus 3 into x into 2 by 3y into x minus 2 by 3y. It will give us x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 6 by 3 and 3 cancels out. It will be 2xy into x minus 2 by 3y. Oh, you can open this and final answer. X cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2x square y minus minus plus 4x y squared by 3. 4x y squared by 3. And this is the answer of question number 4. In this way, up to question number 6 we have seen, students. Now question number 7 we will discuss. Number 7. Evaluate the following identities. Very simple. 99 cube. Simply we can write it 100 minus 1 cube. So what is the formula? A cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b into 100 minus 1. So 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Then minus 1 minus 300. And here you can write it as 99. 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. So 1 followed by 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1 minus this much. Now it will be 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros minus 29701. Now on subtracting 1 followed by 6 zeros and 10792 992 970 992. Yes, this is the answer of question number 7. In this way you can do the rest of the two sums of question number 7. Let me discuss question number 8 now. Factorize the following. All these questions are based on the 8 identities that I had explained previously. Question number 8 I am discussing, students, and in this question, suppose the first question, let me do 8aq plus bq plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square formula, you can say it as 2a's whole cube plus b's whole cube plus 3 into 2a into b, that means 6ab you take as common from the last two terms. 6ab you are taking as common. You will be left with 2a plus b, and a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, that is the formula of a plus b's whole cube. In your factorization answer, you can write 2a plus b, 2a plus b into 2a plus b. So that is, in this way you can do the sum of question number 8. 5 sums are there, one I have explained. In the same way you will go on. Now question number 9. See students, verify. You have to verify this one, that x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. You have to verify it. Two types of questions are there. How to verify it? Let me tell you. You will simply write RHS equals to. This is the RHS. You write x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Next, distributive law over multiplication over addition and subtraction. What we will do? X into x into x square minus xy plus y square plus y x square minus xy plus y square. Now do the multiplication. X cube minus x square y plus xy square plus x square y minus xy square plus y cube. See, x square y positive, negative and positive cancels out. Xy square negative and positive cancels out. And you are left with x cube plus y cube equals to LHS proved. In the same way, the second question you yourself can solve. This was question number 9. Now come to question number 10, students. I hope these are very simple, and you are having some idea of these factorization as you have learned in your previous class. Question number 10, one of the two questions I will solve. Question number 2, that is 64m cube minus 343n cube. Difference of cubes. We can write it as 4m's whole cube and 4m's whole cube, and we can write it as 7 n's whole cube. Because 4 into 4 into 4 will give us 64 and 7 into 7 into 7 will give us 343. Now a cube minus b cube. Your formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Your answer will be 4m minus 7n, and here 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. And that's all for question number 10. Now question number 11, it is a very important sum, students. Pay attention. Question number 11, I am saying this is very important. And question number 12 is also. Number 11. Factorize 27x squared plus y, 27x cube, 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Now this, if you see this very question, it will remind you of the longest identities you have learned. Identity number 8, a cube minus b cube minus a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. We will try to write it in that way. 3x whole cube plus y whole cube plus z whole cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z. This will give us 9xyz. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3xyz. The right hand side we know a plus b plus c, that is 9x, 3x plus y plus z into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus AC. So ultimately, students, your factorization answer 3x plus y plus 7, and it will be 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. So this is the final answer of question number 11. A single question it was. Now, question number 12. Again, one of the very important question number 12. Verify that. You have to verify x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to half x plus y plus z into x minus y's whole square plus y minus z's whole square plus z minus x's whole square. Pay attention, students. Question number 12 is very important from the exam point of view and for this very exercise. This is the LHS and this is the RHS. See, proof. What LHS equals to? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. We know that it has a right hand side also, this formula. This formula is x plus y plus z into x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus yz minus xz. Now what you do, you divide and multiply it by 2. So we can write it 1 by 2 x plus y plus z 2 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. What we have done? We have divided and multiplied the expression, both numerator and denominator of the expression by 2. You keep it 1 by 2, you keep it x plus y plus z, this is one part, and you multiply each term with 2, 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2xz. Now, 2x square means x square plus x square. 2y square, y square plus y square. 2z square, z square plus z square. Now, if you arrange this one once again, what you will find, you take one x square and one y square. You will find x square plus y square plus minus 2xy. Then you take one y square and one z square minus 2yz. Then you take one z and one x, z square plus x square minus 2zx. See, x square and x square, 2x square, y square and y square, 2y square, z square and z square, 2z square. Arranged. Minus 2xy, minus 2yz, minus 2xz. Simply we have rearranged the thing so that we will get 1 by 2 x plus y plus z, and this will give us, carefully see, this will give us x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square equals to RHS. Proved. So this is a very important sum. Students, do by yourself and try to solve it again and again. It's important from the exam point of view as well. It was your question number 12. Now come to question number 13. Says, again, important sum, markings are very important sum. Given x plus y plus z equals to 0, to prove x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. This is the thing that we have to prove, students. Now, prove. How we will proceed? Given x plus y plus z equals to 0, that gives us x plus y is equal to minus z. After this, you will see cubing on both sides. X plus y's whole cube equals to minus z's whole cube. You will write it as or x cube plus y cube, x plus y's whole cube, x plus y's whole cube is equal to z cube. So we will write x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y is equal to minus z cube. Bring this minus z cube on this way. Before that, you write x cube plus y cube plus 3xy, and x plus y can be written as minus z. This is 1. Minus in x plus y we are writing minus z is equal to minus z cube using 1. Now bring z cube on this very side, but before that x cube plus y cube minus 3xyz is equal to minus z cube. Bring z cube either in this side. We will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz, and proved. So this is your question number 13, very important one. Now 14. In question number 14, there are two sums. One I will make it for you. In the same way you can proceed. First one, minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Without actually calculating the cubes, we are not supposed to find out the cubes of the numbers, and we are using identities we have to solve. Now clearly minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 equals to 0. We are finding minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 equals to 0. So if x plus y plus z equals to 0, if x plus y plus z equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be 3xyz. Right now we have proved that in 13. So same thing we will do. Therefore, minus 12 whole cube plus 7 whole cube plus 5 whole cube will be 3 minus 12 7 into 5. Now, $60 into 3 into, this is 60 into 3 and into 7. Minus 1260. What I have done, see, 330, we can do it, 60, 6, ignore the sign, this is the minus sign, 60 into 21 you do. Yes, minus 1260. Minus 1260 is the right answer of this particular question. Now, question number 15. Give possible expressions of length and breadth of each of the following rectangles if their area. Area of the rectangle. One question. 35y square, or say first question, 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So possible length and breadth you have to say 5 into 5 into 3 into 4, 20, 15. 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. What we have done? We have done the midterm factorization, midterm splitting factorization. Minus 35 is split as minus 20a minus 15a, so that their product will be 25 into 12, that will give us 25 into 12. $300. So after this, we will take 5a as common from the first two. It will be 5a minus 4. 3 as common, it will be 5a minus 4. So what are the thing? 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 4. Since it is the area, one is length and the other one is breadth. The longer one is length, the smaller one is breadth. So this is the bigger one, longer one, and this is the smaller one. So L equals to 5a minus 3 and B is equal to 5a minus 4. In the same way, the second question of question number 15 can be solved. Now come to the last question, question number 16. That is the last question of the chapter. In this case, volume is given to you and you are required to find out the dimension of a cuboid. All possible expressions for the dimensions of a cuboid whose volume is 16 number. Volume given, volume of the cuboid given as 12 ky square plus 8 ky minus 20. 12 ky square plus 8 ky minus 20k. And dimensions you have to find out. That means all the three, length, breadth and height. What we will do, we will take, from here we will take 4k as common. So it will be 3y square. It will be plus 2y. It will be minus 5. 4k. Now this is the midterm factorization. 15 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. 4k we will take common as y. 3y plus 5 minus 1. 3y plus 5. So one is 4k, the second one is 3y plus 5, and the third one is y minus 1. Therefore, the dimensions are 4k is one side, 3y plus 5 is the another side, and y minus 4 is the second side. Length, breadth and height it can be. These are the directions, these are the lengths, dimensions of the cuboid. These three are the dimensions of the cuboid. Students, in this way, I have completed the chapter of polynomial from your NCERT book. I hope you have understood and you will go through each and every sum which I have left. You will do it. Which I have done, that too you do it. But before doing so, just put it in your mind, the definition that I have given. What is an identity first, and secondly, the 8 identities, the formula of 8 identities you have to remember for solving the problems. Okay, we will meet in the next exercise, next chapter. I hope it is of coordinate geometry. Till then, goodbye students.